welcome back to our channel.
Today is our first vacation vlog.
And this background is because we just woke up
like 6:30.
And well, today we are going on the plane and we're gonna have a drive, and we're just telling you right now so that you guys can stay tuned. And yeah, bye.
In the car.
We are about to start driving. 3 hours. I hate driving.
So yeah.
Yeah.
See you at the airport.
Yeah, bye. Back to our channel. We are in the tunnel at the airport right now, and it's changing colors. It's really cool. And we're about to get on the airplane in a while. So we'll see you in a little bit, but not on the airplane yet. So guys, we are about to go on the tram, which is the train that takes you up to where you're going. So you're gonna get some clips of that. So hope you enjoy.
Hello.
Where are Mom and Dad?
Station, serving gate A1.
We're on the tram. You can probably see it behind us, like it's moving.
Arrived at the South Station, serving gate
Super fast.
A28.
Hi guys. I see so many people. Oh my gosh, there's our seating bunk.
Okay, so we're just gonna get to our gate and we'll see you on the airplane. And then when we get to the condo, and then we'll post it.
Yes,
So.
I paid my nails last time. Wait, we're going forward. Let's turn the camera. Turn the camera. Turn it.
So yeah.
Look at that. Whoa. We're gonna jam into the wall. No.
Bye bye.
There's
See you at the airplane.
We're on a plane. I'm so hot.
We're on the airplane. So we will see you when we get to the condo. You guys need to see the views.
Guys, so we have this little kid in front of us who literally loves us. Yeah, he's like, every 10 minutes, high fives.
Kaylee's on a different aisle, so.
Yeah, show her.
Whoa, baby. So we will show you the condo. They're like on the ride.
Maybe like 2 more hours.
We may check up on you guys on the plane again. So bye.
We're about to land. Let me show them the view. We're in Fort Lauderdale, Miami. We're still in the plane.
Don't tell them.
So yeah. It felt like 4 hours. It was super long.
Yeah, but we had movies.
We got film. We have TVs.
So we'll see you at the condo. Then, yeah. Our rental car.
It's a Ford Flex 2018 model.
Yeah,
I'm so excited.
That's rad.
We're about to head to our house, but we have to get all our suitcases and
Well,
stuff.
the condo.
And I came ready. I was the only one that was ready. I have a tank top on right now.
Yeah, I
Chloe's
have
wearing
leggings.
a 3/4 sleeve, and Caitlin's wearing I have capris. I have capris on. Yeah, but Chloe's wearing a 3/4 sleeve, and Caitlin's wearing capris. So see you at the
Condo.
Green Garage Spring Event is bigger than ever. Get big discounts on the all-new 2018 Accord, Civic, CR-V, Odyssey.
Enjoyed this airplane / arrival thing vlog. We are going to show the aquarium tomorrow.
And
Condo is probably going to be in 2 days because we
no, it's gonna be tomorrow.
we are going to show to make sure that you guys have something good every single day, not everything at once. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Comment down below if you like the vacation vlogs, because I know we did one last year. So yeah.
That wasn't last year.
Yes, it was. It was
Okay.
November. Bye.